Today, I'm teaching you how to create a VCC card in Revolut. So what a VCC card is, it's basically a virtual credit card. It's super simple, super straightforward. These could be disposable or multi-use. It's entirely up to you. So what you're going to want to do is go over and type in Revolut, go over to the website, and it'll lead you here. Make sure you specify exactly where you're located. If you're in the United States, click this one. If you're in the United Kingdom, click this one. And if you're in another country, go ahead and click this one. So in my case, since I'm from the US, I'm going to go ahead and click US and then go ahead and hit log in. So after you do that, it'll lead you to this page. So it'll basically ask you to log in using your phone number, and then it's going to ask you for a QR code. What you're going to want to do is take out your iPhone or your Android and hit the camera app. Use the camera app to scan the QR code and it'll lead you to a link. That link will lead you to the Revolut app to verify that it's really you, and it might even ask you for your PIN. So go ahead and type in your PIN if that's what it asks you. So once you're done and completed this step, it's going to lead you to this page, and this is where you're going to want to be. As you can see, there are three categories here: home, cards, and security. What you're going to want to press is cards, and here it's going to list you all the virtual cards you have. If you're on the free Revolut plan just like me, you're only going to have one card because it only allows you to have one card. If you're on the paid plan, then you can basically have infinite cards and have tons and tons of disposable cards at your will. So keep this in mind. And if you're looking for a free plan that gives you multiple, like more than one virtual card, you can always also just use Wise, as it gives you 3 virtual cards for free. But anyways, this is explaining how to actually make a virtual credit card. So it's going to give you the option to create a virtual credit card here. As you can see, I already have one, and this is what that looks like. And this is free for me to use wherever I want that's attached to my balance on a Revolut. So this is simply how you create one. I hope this was helpful or insightful, and if it was, consider giving me a subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.